Living in a Castle 5 with Medrod and Gwalia. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. Who are you? Medrod the cat had a busy life in the medieval castle. Medrod was quick. Medrod was slick. Medrod was cleaner. Medrod was meaner, killing rats and mice to keep the castle nice. He had hugs from the ladies, fish from the knights, smiles from the king. Things were all right. J'adore le chien, quod amo Phyllis. Cool dude. Phew, I'm tired. But he got very tired. And sometimes Medrod dreamt of his name on a ship, his name on a castle, his face on a coin, his face on a banner, a cat on a shield, a cat on a flag, a cat in a story, a cat in stone. Once upon a time, a cat as a knight, a cat as a king. Gwalia was too busy running away from Medrod to dream about anything. Eek, eek, that's me! Medrod didn't know how to write his name. Medrod was just a cat. Medrod didn't know what he looked like. Did he look like his shadow? But Medrod had never seen his face. Medrod didn't have a mirror. Medrod didn't have a mirror, but the castle had a moat. Medrod looked down into the moat. The moat was like a mirror. Medrod looked down into the moat and... He can't swim. He might fall in. Splash! Oops. Mouse-tastic!